All right, we are going to start a CSS battle. So let's start our timer and go to CSSBattle.tab. We have some inverted line things. Best way I know to do this is repeating conic gradient. But I'm going to do it on the body so I can get it to margin in a little bit. So let's say margin 0 and 50. Let's go ahead and load our extension. 45. Background. Repeating on gradient. It's going to go from red to blue slate. I don't know what color it is. This one's going 0 25%. This one's going 0 50%. And there is a repeating conic gradient. Now, is it the right repeating conic gradient? No, it is not. First of all, we're going to say that its offset 0 is 0, 0. Its size, however, is going to be 100 pixels, which is wrong, but starting to be something. 140 maybe? Let's see what I can see. 150, 30, 20, 5, 15. That looks like the right repeat interval. Now, the way that they repeat is wrong. So this needs to be at, let's say, 100 pixels. That's the right idea. Wrong number. That's getting closer. That's actually right from a horizontal standpoint. Can I offset it vertically with this? I don't know. Let's say 150 pixels. Whoops. Pixels. That looks like it made it backwards. Let's try 100. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Okay. We can't use that. Let's put 0 here, but let's put 100 pixels here. 200 pixels there. 250, 230, 220, 225 maybe. No, 220 is right. Let's get rid of outline. Let's unit replace. Let's minify. Let's submit, prettify. Okay. 127 with a conic gradient. Now, can I remove that and that? So there is the problem that we run into. Is even though, let's put an outline here. 1 cube solid black. So there we have the outline, but the problem is that the background repeats outside of itself. So to fix that, we could do some things. We could have, okay, E is the red color, right? Yeah, so E's first. So you can have this say var, I don't know, R for red, 25%. And here, you go ahead and have that selector, put it back, say minus minus R, 0. But that inherits up. That's interesting. Works there. Okay, so could the other thing we be do to not do that? Make that work again. and have R be this, var minus minus R 55VW. And then it applies to the whole thing again. Interesting. It needs, oh, it needs some more things. It needs that stuff. Okay, okay, now let's try this being 55VW, and this being 90. That's way more characters. What am I doing? Where am I? Oh, outline. 126. The other one was 127. Um, ba, ba, ba. I wonder. It's not any better. I'm just playing with how I can make this a little cleaner, and I don't know the answer yet. I don't know what's, oh, this is going to be 55. Hmm. Can I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what better to do here. Uh, R minus minus R comma. Can all of that be there? I don't know. Minus minus R 0 doesn't work. All right. Let's put it back the way we had it. That's not how we had it. R minus minus R comma. And this was 95, wasn't it? Wow. And then this was 55. I thought that was working before. Maybe not. There we go. I don't know. That's what I got for today. I'm sure I'm missing something clever, but that's what I have. Thanks for watching. See you next time. All right, an addendum. It's been a couple minutes. I don't know. I wanted to try box shadow because I wanted to. Yeah. Let's try that. So let's say star background. Let's make it blue and outline 1Q solid. And we're seeing the body. Let's not see the body. Let's just see the HTML. Margin 0, 150, 60, 50, 80. Okay, so now we have the HTML is this box right here. Now, we're going to try something. Also, everything else is blue because the background is blue, which is maybe handy. We're going to try box shadow. And we're going to go minus 100 pixels minus 100 pixels. So plus. Okay. 150, 180, 200, 220. And this is going to be 120. 15. Then we're going to have 0 to 20. Then we're going to have 115, 220, 220. I said that. I didn't type it. And then we're going to say color red. And then we're going to say, I don't know what it is, minus 50 pixel 0, 40, 35, and 35 pixel 0. It's 133 with the outline, 116 without it. Let's unit replace, critify, the minify, submit, and critify again. We might be able to get away with some stuff here. 160, that's width, so it's gonna be like 40%. 115 is going to be something, 115 pixels, not quite in Q, 122 Q maybe. Might get away with it. Maybe not. Yeah. And 35 is going to be like 37 Q maybe. Yep. And just while we're here, let's check our colors. If we have a white background and we try to do blue, that's 7 away, probably not getting away with that. And if we have a blue background and we want to do red, that's 9 away, probably not getting away with that either. It's not even close. Oh, because my background's broken. There, let's do that. And then that. Yeah, probably not getting away with that. Nope. Okay, we can get rid of one more character here. Minify, submit. So that's going to be it for now. 107. 107. Yep. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.